Alright, so today is a very, very special day. Today is, first of all, today is my birthday, and second of all, today we're going to be opening up this box. Now, if you watched my collection update for July 2026, you will have noticed that I briefly mentioned this box, and asked you guys to guess what was inside. Well, today we're going to be opening it. So this was my birthday present, and I'm so fucking excited. I'm very, very nervous because this is a very fragile vacuum. It's a very rare vacuum. Something I've wanted in my collection for the past 15 years. Ever since I knew about one, I wanted one. And, yeah, I could not believe it when this showed up on eBay. I usually don't buy vacuums on eBay because I hate dealing with carriers, and it's usually pretty damn expensive. But when I saw this on eBay for the price it was, it was $90, including shipping, including tax. It's like $94 it came out to, which is a very good price. And when I saw it for that price up on eBay, I'm like, this is my only chance to get one of these. I gotta do it. So for those of you who are asking, this was the one that was on eBay in late June 2026. So if you saw that one on eBay, now obviously you guys probably saw the thumbnail. This is a Shark EP-700 or 701. Actually, I don't remember which one it is. But yeah, it's basically their version of an Auric. Very, very rare. I guess there's not much else to do but to open this. Holy crap. I haven't done anything to this except remove the shipping label for very obvious reasons. So, oh my god, I'm like shaking. I'm so nervous. I'm so scared because I'm very worried about this being damaged. So, ooh. Okay. Now in the description, and it was in the listing, there is some damage. It was on the base. There are a few cracks, and apparently the wheel got smashed in, but it was repaired. Okay, so I'm not going to flip out over some cracks on the base because I'm expecting that. The plan is, if this is intact, is to take this apart very, very carefully, take the base apart. This isn't going to get a full restoration, because I'm just not risking breaking this. I'm not doing it. This thing is too rare, and parts are unobtainium. I found some bags on a sketchy website. I have a few bags that I think I will run downstairs and try and see if they'll fit, but yeah, I can't find any bags for this. So, what I'm trying to say is, if this is intact, and I don't have to send it back, first of all, it's going to be going right here, where this Thunder is, because this is the shitty Thunder with no brush roll. And what I would do is very carefully take it apart and JB weld the whole base from the inside. That is to reinforce the crack. Apparently they hot glued it. Oh, I'm so nervous. Alright. So we see the cord. I'm trying, because the last eBay unboxing video I did was on that TriStar. Actually, I wonder if I can rip that off. I just don't want this to get in the way. Actually, who cares? It's fine. Alright. First things first, we have the cord, which is a very thick, heavy-duty cord. You can see it right here. It's a 3-prong cord, gray cord. We have a clip here, which I assume clips it to the handle. Oh, God. Holy fuck. Alright. Oh, dear. Fucking hell. It's damaged. Please don't be bad. I'm assuming it's going to be the back door. Oh. The back door got smashed. Fuck. Fuck. Wow. That's terrible. Alright, let's... Oh, fuck. Ironically, shit. The base, it's in perfect condition. So you see they repaired it with hot glue, but this is in great condition. But the back door smashed. This is, yeah. This is the handle. Oh, this is so unfortunate. This is so unfortunate. Wow. Wow, this is a disaster. So, eBay is getting contacted. Yeah, this is completely ruined. Yeah, so, trying to get all the, wow. I'm literally have no words. I don't even know if I'm going to post this. Okay, I think I got everything out. Yeah. Wow, yep. This is, unfortunately, I mean, wow. This is so unfortunate. Because if that back door hadn't broke, this would have been in perfect condition. But it's completely smashed. There is no way I can glue this. I don't even think it's going to go on anymore. This is so bad. Let's see that. Wow. Look at that. That's what it should have looked like. Here, I'm going to try and I'm going to leave that off. Put all this crap in a pile. Wow. I mean, I don't even know. This is such a disaster. Tell you the truth, I'm being very careful with this. I mean, it's literally in perfect condition. Besides for that break, this thing is absolutely, this thing is perfect. I don't know, I'll have to off camera figure that out. But either way, it seems fairly sturdy. So, I mean, I'm assuming that clip goes on the handle somewhere. Maybe it slides. Where did it go? I got it. Actually, you know, I think I know where it goes. Probably goes up here at the top. Because it's oval shaped. Yeah, I think it does. Actually, I don't know. I'm not going to put that anywhere. Wow. That is absolutely terrible. No way this can be glued. This is completely smashed. This is just such a disappointment. But, I mean, I can use the... And we'll see if it works. I'm not going to have the bag explode. Yeah, I'm going to take that off. I will run it, but I'm going to plug it in. God, that's such a shame. It sounds great. Well, that's this disaster of an unboxing. Hopefully I don't know what I'm going to do. This is going to have to be refunded for sure. Like, this is just such a disappointment. I don't want to send this back. And the irony is I was absolutely terrified about the base getting damaged. That's what I was super worried about. But of course, this bag door got completely smashed. Well, that is this fucking disaster of an unboxing. I'm not too upset. I will be contacting the seller about this. And this is actually a major PSA on why I don't use eBay. I think I learned my lesson with this. Luckily, this wasn't even that expensive. I didn't spend hundreds of dollars on this. I didn't even spend $100 on this. But still, I'm very disappointed. And that's like one of the worst. I would have rather had, this is a shame. And like, if it was just this broken off, I would have glued it. I could have glued this, but that is literally impossible to be glued. So, oh my god. Well, it's okay. My birthday isn't ruined before those of you asked me about that. I still got a bunch of stuff that I didn't need to show you guys, but that is very unfortunate. I was looking forward to that. Wow. So if anyone has a source on a new bag door, like, I'll show you, try and just be careful so I can show you the damage. See, that's what it would go on. Oh, there's another piece. I don't even know, the tab's gone. That's the thing. This is absolutely slight damage. There's also a very slight mark on this, but it isn't bad. Like, that would not have been terrible. But look at that. That's how it should have been, yeah. It should be like that. Crap. Oh my god. Otherwise, this thing looks in great condition. So yeah, that's this disaster of an unboxing. If anyone has a bag door, let me know. It doesn't have to be the version that says professional on it, like anything at this point. But yeah, this is bad. This is really bad. Like I said, if it was a crack like that, like I would not have cared. But alright, well I'm gonna cry. I'm kidding. It's just a vacuum, and I'm not too upset. I mean, like I said, I don't want to send it back, but I don't know. I don't know what I should do with it. I don't even, like I said, I think I will upload this, but this was a disaster. It's not what I planned for this video, and I'm completely... Alright, so yes, I will be contacting the seller, even though, yeah, I regret not opening this sooner. I wanted to save it for my birthday. That was, like, the whole point of me waiting, but I waited a month. It's been a month, so... fucking hell. Alright, so, if any of you wanted this, be glad you didn't buy it, because I'm glad this didn't happen to any of you guys. Wow. So, I don't even know what to do. Like, this is completely screwed. Alright, I'm gonna end the video now before I go ballistic. I will be messaging the seller. Like I said, if it was just that little crack, I would have been able to fix it, or if it was like, this is completely smashed. So, thank you guys for watching this video. If you, like I said, you have a bag door, please fucking let me know. Comment down below. I will buy it off of you. I doubt anyone does. It doesn't have to stay professional. It doesn't have to be this. It just has to fit. But yeah, this is absolutely a disaster. So, thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye for now.